Something just barely pecking on it. Make sure he didn't swallow it there. He got it. Oh, he had it. That was a trout too. He must have just been sitting there with it in his mouth. See if he'll come back and pick that up. As little Rainbow picked it up, he didn't take off with it. He's just sitting there holding it. I started to reel, make sure he hadn't swallowed it. Prime example, always set your hook. Right there he is again, right there he is again, right there he is again. Jerked it right out of his mouth, I guarantee it. Show y'all again what I'm doing here. I'm getting ready to net me one. So like I said, it's April 27th. This time of the year I like the night crawlers. I typically like to use the whole night crawler. I get better results on the trout that way. I have a little bit of weight on there, one split shot. Typically, I'll throw them out there weightless, let them sink, kind of bottom bounce them, let them float around. I got 2 rods going, so I figured I'd get this one on the bottom, let it set. Say he'll be back here in just a second to pick that up. Right there he is. Right there he is. Ace. Go ahead and give him a second there. Again, that could be something smaller. I know that one missed there before that last one. It's definitely a trout. Try a smaller piece. It could be a little red eye. Could be a smallmouth picking it up. There's a lot of big creek chubs in here too. Alright, let's try this one more time. Get my net ready there. There you go. Get something else on this. There's something little pecking on it. Look here, I managed to get it right underneath that, didn't I? Like it ain't pecked me clean, I still see it in there. There he is. There we go. Another little red eye. Oh, there's one. Dab one up here. Oh, he came off the hook. Good deal. That's a red eye. You can see him following in right there. There's a trout come back. Smack it there. Back in another hole here. We got two, at least one brook. It looks like maybe a rainbow laid right down below where I cast it. Actually, I hit one right on top of the head. Right there's one. Right there's one. Coming at it. Oh, there we go, son. There we go. It's a brown, I think, ain't it? There we go. Look here. Absolute beauty. Absolutely. Alright. Let's get you. Oh, calm down, calm down. Get a little line out right here. Leave you in the net. Get you unhooked. Calm down. Oh, yeah. Let's get a picture of you. Hold still for just a second. Alright. Let's get you back. There we go. Ready? Come on. Gone. Took off strong. That's the way we like to do it. We ain't catching them to keep them. Do your best to keep them up out of the sand, out of the mud, rocks. Try not to handle them a whole bunch. And, get them back quick. See if we can't do that again. So I know there's a couple of them in there. That one I hit right on top of the head. Didn't even mean it. It's another reason I like these mesh nets with the rubberized coating. Keeps your line from getting all tangled up, hooks from getting in it. Just keeps the fish a little healthier. There he is. Absolute monster right here. And this is a big one. Look at this friggin' stud. Show you how to catch a red eye in about 30 seconds. There you go.